It's day 5 of our trip to Southeast Asia, and today we are taking a cooking class in Chiang Mai. The day started out with breakfast at our hotel, which was a really nice spread. Then we were picked up by the teacher of our cooking class who took us to a local market where we shopped for ingredients for our cooking class. A few days before the class began, we were sent a list of 5 categories. We were supposed to choose one item from each category. It was noodles, soup, appetizer, curry, and dessert. Boo and I decided to choose different items in each category so we could try each other's. To start, Boo made some drunken noodles and I made some delicious pad thai. The setup was pretty cool. We each had our own cooking station in the courtyard of this guy's house. Then we moved on to the soup course. Boo made tom yum and I made coconut chicken. They were basically the same soup, except mine had coconut cream in it. For appetizers, Boo made fried spring rolls and I made fresh. We also made some dipping sauces to accompany them. As we were preparing our next courses, some lion and dragon dancers came down the street to celebrate the Lunar New Year. Then we tackled our final 2 courses, curry and dessert. Boo made cow soy and mango sticky rice, and I made massaman curry and a pumpkin coconut cream. By then we were so stuffed that we returned to the hotel for a nap. But that night we ventured out to Chiang Mai's Saturday night market, which was many blocks long and featured everything from food cooked on mini grills to clothes to souvenirs to smoothies. It was interesting, but honestly, I just wasn't into it. There were just too many schlock souvenirs. But overall, the day was fantastic. For more information about my travels, visit my website, homepagenotfound.com.